My main purpose is working and contributing for businesses and organizations to understand the role that they play in the sustainability of society. And that means contributing to environmental, social, and economic challenges. What I do in particular, I try to study their performance, that way of going back to them and highlighting the things that they're doing well or not doing that well, the challenges that they face and that society faces, and that creates an opportunity for them to address for the good of society, but also for their own sustainability. There are several researches that will show a positive correlation between investing in the community on corporate social responsibility issues or sustainability approaches and financial performance. But other than that, in the long term, for a company to be sustainable and to survive, they need to take care of all these other stakeholders and not just about making money. That's the way it has to be done, and that's the way it should be approached, with a long-term perspective, leaving some gains today to have access to them in the future.
My research is about architecture and how it intersects with the concepts of sustainability, health, culture, and equity. By sustainability, we talk about two parts. One is the green building, making sure that the architecture is contributing to halting climate change. Green buildings that are energy efficient, that could reduce our carbon footprint, reducing our consumption of energy, and management of different resources. The second part of sustainability in architecture is the part when we talk about resilience. We know that climate change is already happening, and the frequency of natural disasters is occurring much more than in the past. So, how do we design buildings to also be prepared for the consequences of climate change? That's what I'm concerned about when I'm talking about sustainability.